Psalm 2, the Coronation Frequency. Why do the heathen rage, and the people imagine a vain thing? The kings of the earth set themselves, and the rulers take counsel together, against the Lord and against his anointed, saying, Let us break their bands asunder, and cast away their cords from us. He that sitteth in the heavens shall laugh. The Lord shall have them in derision. Then shall he speak unto them in his wrath, and vex them in his sore displeasure. Yet have I set my King upon my holy hill of Zion. I will declare the decree. The Lord hath said unto me, Thou art my son. This day have I begotten thee. Ask of me, and I shall give thee the heathen for thine inheritance, and the uttermost parts of the earth for thy possession. Thou shalt break them with a rod of iron. Thou shalt dash them in pieces like a potter's vessel. Be wise now, therefore, O ye kings. Be instructed, ye judges of the earth. Serve the Lord with fear, and rejoice with trembling. Kiss the Son, lest he be angry, and ye perish from the way, when his wrath is kindled but a little. Blessed are all they that put their trust in him. Devotional meditation. Psalm 2 reveals the conflict between the kingdoms of men and the decree of God. It opens with dissonance, nations in uproar, rulers in rebellion. But the frequency quickly shifts to divine enthronement. This psalm is the sound of coronation, a cosmic declaration that Christ the Son is already installed as King on Zion's hill, despite earthly resistance. To pray this psalm is to align oneself with divine governance, to reject fear of earthly chaos, and instead kiss the Son, a prophetic gesture of surrender, reverence, and intimate allegiance. In the context of the Kingdom Age, this psalm functions as a spiritual proclamation that the saints now participate in his reign by obedience, praise, and boldness. Invocation of activation. O divine King, let the nations rage, but not disturb me. Let the decree go forth in my being. You are the Son, enthroned forever, on the hill of Zion. May I kiss you with reverence and welcome your reign within and through me. With the angels of governance and saints of valor, I proclaim, the kingdom is yours, now and always. Amen.